Gold daily forecast, December 9th, fxempire.com. So you can see on this daily chart of gold, we did have a bearish day in the market as traders sold off the gold markets yet again. It does look like this uptrend line is being tested several times, and currently, as long as we can stay above this uptrend line, we are net buyers of it. Of course, we don't sell anyways. The trend's been up for 10 years. And to understand that the euro fell pretty hard during the session, which of course boosted the dollar, which of course is what gold is priced in, at least in this futures contract. So as the dollar gains value, most of the time that means it takes less of them to buy gold, although that doesn't necessarily have to be the case. You can see that we did stop at the $1,700 mark, and we got a little bit of a double support area here. So what we are currently waiting on is the EU summit meeting to finish and the announcement to come out. Perhaps some type of good news will propel this market higher. Bad news could send it lower, but that's more should be thought of more along the lines of covering other bad positions, as traders will sell gold, which they have winnings in order to cover losses in other places. The support band between 1700 and 1600 we think is just simply too much for this market to break down through. So what we are waiting to do is to see that result of that meeting and see what happens. See if we get some type of supportive candle, preferably in the upper range of this $100. The buy and the pullback strategy has been the one we have used most often in this market, and it looks by all means that it should continue to be one of the most successful. It makes sense to step away from this market currently because there is a lot of turmoil and uncertainty in the markets, and quite frankly, many traders are just not involved right now. The liquidity is very low, not only in the gold markets, the forex markets, the stock markets, everything, low volume. So we're waiting to see what the EU summit brings out later today, and if we get a positive reaction, it could be a buy signal. If not, we want to see some type of supportive action before we step in, but we definitely think the long-term trend is still in effect and wouldn't be concerned about it until we broke below $1,600.